Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add the document to the start list in Google Drive. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up Google Drive. Here it opens up in the suggested menu. From here, we just have to select the document and tap on the three dots next to its name. And then we can tap on Add to Start. Now this document is going to be added to the start list in our Drive account, and we can check the start list by tapping on the three lines in the top left corner, and yeah, we should be able to find it somewhere here. Yeah, in the bottom row, just start. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.